So what's going on, lazy bushcrafters? Today we are in the southern Taconic Mountains in the town of Salisbury, Connecticut. We're doing a 3-day, doing it with my friends over there. And you can't really see them, but there's a bunch of my folks, some folks that you've seen, Brian, Stephanie, a couple other people as well. And so we're just gonna be doing a quick 3-day, really short today, 3 miles. And then up, we'll have a couple more folks coming in, but it should be a nice hike. I hear there's gonna be some good views. So I'll catch those around and we'll start figuring out what to do for the rest of this video. All right, everybody, we're here at the, what's the name of the shelter? Riga Shelter. It's a really pretty short 4-mile trip, and this is all of our buddies. This is Brian, which you may have seen from a different video. This is Patty, that's Patty. That's, sorry, that's Jack. What's your name on YouTube? Hiker Jack? Hiker Jack. And Jen, and Greg, and yeah, and the hand is Stephanie. Yeah. So this is a really beautiful shelter. There's a lot of campsites, and we have a really nice view, which you cannot see because of the exposure. But some of us are gonna set up tents. A lot of us are gonna be in the shelter because it's so nice. And I'm probably gonna set up my hammock because I spent a lot of money on the hammock and tarp, and I should probably use it. I didn't have a lot of video reviews, but I'm not Owen, so that's why you're getting what you get.
What's up, guys? It's day 2. Had a nice night overnight. Apparently it's gonna rain slightly tonight, possibly. I'm a little bit in the back of the pack because I was the last one to go to the bathroom. Jack's maybe about 40-50 feet ahead of me, and then the other folks ahead of them. But today, apparently it's pretty flat up until we get to the mountains, so it's not that bad. Been a good hike so far. Everybody, we're going up Bear Mountain. We're almost at the top. This really nice, beautiful view. Trying to kind of just take it at a nice pace. I've got Greg, Brian, and Jack, who was here probably like half an hour ago. So, but the colors, I was saying, the colors look like they've changed even maybe overnight, or maybe it's just a different part of the, just a different part of the mountain range that we're looking at. But yeah, but it's really nice. Fall foliage. Some of you people go nuts for that stuff. I think it's pretty, but we'll take maybe another video at the top. And I was saying to the other folks, is no drone footage, no still shots, because I'm tired and too lazy. If you want that, you can look at Owen's videos. All right, so we went down Bear Mountain, which was not that bad. Definitely could be kind of treacherous in the rain. Did a quick river crossing. My socks are wet now. We have still 1,000 to 1,500 feet to climb, but it's a beautiful day. The leaves are changing. Good friends to chat with, and a dried out river or creek. Blinking my eye because I have salt in my eye. Oh, look, Jack got here. Well, he's over there. Yeah, you can see the lower half of his body. This nice view over here. We're on here on Everett Mountain. I'm really tired. We gotta go. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, that's really beautiful. All right, see you guys later. Hey, everybody. Today we're on day 3. We're gonna have a short 6-mile hike back, and then we're gonna have some food. Just taking down the setup here. We got the tarp. We got a little ground cloth, under quilt, a whole bunch of other things. I don't have a tripod, so you're not gonna see that, but yeah. It's a really nice 2-tiered shelter here and a little grove type of thing. I don't know, there's fire going on. All breaking down our setups. I'm gonna be a little while, I think. Got all those tent people. Takes them 5 seconds and take me like 10 minutes. Hey, everybody. Just going a little bit uphill. Have a nice little extra vista here. Some of the rest of the group are coming up. I figured I'd just wait here, but it's a very, very beautiful hike back down. You can see. As I was saying to Brian, this is our Lord of the Rings
portion of the hike. This giant pasture that we're hiking through. We're almost there, which is good because the clouds are getting a little dark. Clouds are getting a little dark. All right, guys, you can see that's just the end of the last part of the road trail, and here we are. So we're done. Grab some food, and I think that's basically it.